good afternoon, everybody. As y'all can see, ready to do the install on this. It's about 2:45 right now. It's chilly outside here in upstate New York, but I didn't care, man. I wanted to put these lights in for y'all because I know we needed an install video. Shout out to the guys who actually showed me and uploaded the video and shared the links for these switchback lights. So pretty much this is what we're gonna be doing today. As soon as I can get it out the box. So we got some LED daytime running lights. Open up. Alright, so it looks like the first part we gotta do is take off this front bezel right here just to the grill. So just a quick couple bolts, or quick little push pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got a couple of them there. So I'm gonna start doing that. Yeah, kind of lucky. I like a lot of y'all because it's actually chilly out here right now. I'm kind of freezing, but I had to get this video done for y'all and for myself because I was actually excited when I seen these. Somebody uploaded it in the group. Shout out to New Age 200, man. Look us up on Facebook. I'm gonna put the link right in this video, right in the bottom, right now. We got over 1,000 people at the moment, so you know, every time somebody posts something, we always looking for new mods and stuff for the car. Boom, there's that. That's off. All right, cool. Cool. So you get that bezel off right there, and then you got a couple more bolts to do, and then you can lift this part up and squeeze the light underneath. So I'm thinking you can leave these two and just do the 2 corners. That way you could just lift up from the corner and put them in. So all right, let's get to it. Just a heads up, these are 10mm bolts over here in this corner that we got to get loose. Oh, seems like mine is already loose. It's cold, y'all. But I gotta take one for the team, though. Gotta take one for the team. Because it's like 4 people that did an install, but nobody did a video. So, you know, every single person doesn't actually know how to do this, man. So sometimes you gotta do a video to show the people who don't know how to do it, you know. I'll be the first one to tell you, I don't know how to do every single thing. So doing the video to help others, man. That's what it's all about. You know what? I'm tripping. I got a whole drill. I could have been got these bolts off. Yeah, buddy. Got the lazy man tools out. There we go. Much more easier. Much easier. There we go. All right, so got it off. This should just pop right out. There we go. Boom. All right, good morning everybody. So I didn't get to finish the lights yesterday because I had to actually take care of some business yesterday, but I'm here to finish setting it up. Well, actually it's done now, but I didn't get to finish setting it up in the video, so I want to finish it for you guys because there's a couple things that's a little confusing, but for the most part, now I got everything hooked up. As you can see, there's the wires going right there. Everything works. Now, as you guys can see, I do not have my car running at all. The engine is not on. I just have it on ACC, and the lights are on. So real simple, easy. 1 or 2 ways. You can splice the wires to the actual connector and connect everything in that way, so that they'll only come on, again, this is from my understanding, they'll only come on if you have the headlights on. So I didn't want that. I wanted them running all the time long as the car is on. So if let's say I'm driving during the day and I don't want my headlights on, these will still come on because I have them plugged into a fuse. So I recommend plugging into the fuse. It is a little bit more of a process because you have to add some extra wire to the passenger side because it won't reach all the way to the fuse. So I have some extra wire. I have some wire from my speaker setup that I use, but I know it's not clean right now, but I just wanted to get it to work, and I'll actually fix the wires and rearrange them how I want them to. But how you take that, now I have some people that was struggling with this clip down here. The way you take it out is you see how to, oh wait, let me a second, I'm gonna push it in. Alright, so there's a red tab right there. You just pull the red tab out, and then you push down on the black, there's a black pin right on the top of it. You push it down, then pull it out, and it'll come right out. Now the fuse you want to use if you do go this route is, I think it is it's this one right here, right next to the big block. So it's basically look like a little mini building. You want to use this little one right here, the 10, and that is on every time you turn the car on. It's on the whole time. So that's the setup. Now let me show you guys how it looks without the bulb, because I actually like it without the bulb. So let me see if I can do it. Sorry about the wind noise. If I can hear that. See, boom, there it goes. Again, the car. How I plugged the connector was, I pushed the wiring inside the pinhole, and then I pushed the connector in. So pretty much I jammed the wire into the pinhole and pushed everything in. So that way it will never come out. It'll stay connected, and that way I didn't have to splice any wires. Because again, I didn't feel comfortable splitting wires. I don't know what I'm doing as far as with wires, so you guys may know what you're doing. Like I said, if you want to go that route, you can go that route. But I went the route to where I didn't have to split any wires, and that my lights are gonna work long as the car is on. My headlights don't have to be on. Long as my car is on, those LED strips will be on. And I can use the turn signals, all of that good stuff, and it'll switch back every single time. So that's pretty much it, man. It's real simple. If I miss this step anywhere in the video that y'all need me to cover, just message me and I'll come back outside. I'll do a quick video. I had pretty much all the video I needed yesterday of the full installation, but what happened was when I took it in the house to do the editing, all my video didn't have no audio, so which was terrible. I mean, I pretty much had the full setup for you guys, but my video didn't have no audio yesterday. There was only 2 videos that had audio. The rest of them just nothing worked. So if y'all need me to cover something for y'all, just hit me up in the comments. Let me know how y'all setup coming. But I'm about to put it back together, and I'm gonna get some night video for y'all too, and some footage. So that's it, man. That's how I hook mine up. Just the fuse, power to the red one to the fuse, and then this line into the connector. And that's all I got for y'all today. Like I said, hit me up if y'all have any questions. If y'all need some help, just hit me in my inbox, man. I'm always open to help people out. Sorry about the wind noise too. The wind blowing crazy right now, but that's all I got for y'all today, man. Peace out. Y'all enjoy.